Alright, so welcome back everyone to the
some new headlights in.
Fresh light on the subject. Dude, your truck looks huge without a front end.
It's like a piece of shit.
Aren't they all? Oh yeah, and so I'm putting new subs in my truck. As you can see, this one's got a little bit of a hole and another hole. And I'm putting some Skars up in there. And so, dude, so after I put these subs in, I've had these in there for like 3 probably years, and I've not ever fucked with them. Had to ever fuck with them, but yeah, so about to unscrew that one and then just slap them in. Should look cool. Ones are 4 ohm compared to the Rockfords that are just only 2 ohm. So with the 4 ohm speakers, you got to go from one side to the other. I mean, it doesn't really matter which. You're gonna have to run the regular power wire in, like black wire, and then the power wire in with them, but in the sub box, if that makes sense. And I'll show you all that. So, oh yeah, and I'd also probably twist up y'all's wires too, because I really just don't want to have to fucking take out my back seats and fuck with them ever. So, like, just do it once and then it's done. All right, so what I'm doing too, whenever I'm connecting the red to the red and the black to the back. Okay, so what I did was, it's going, you see, from those in the sub box to out to these, which are connected to these as well, that go back around to those ones. And so now I'm gonna stick it in, and then we'll do the other one and screw these bitches in, then hear them. Alright, so welcome back, guys. I made a fucky wucky. So whenever I was putting these subs in, just screwing them in, you know, without a fucking extension. Poked. I don't know if you can see it, but I put some epoxy on it. It's fucking, can't see it, but I almost poked through it. I might have. Just the way life goes, I guess. Sometimes you fuck up your new subs putting them in. But other than that, they look pretty damn spiffy, I'm gonna say. Just gotta hear them. Gotta put these 2 wires back on, then ground them again, and then they should be done. Yeah, my subs, them hoes are pretty fucking loud. Okay, so comparison to the Rockford R1s. These are the Skar IX-10s, and so versus Rockford, so those are rated for 200 watts, and the amp that I have back there is 400 watts, so it's like powered like evenly, or like the right shit. So now these ones are rated for 250 to 400 watts, so they're fucking 400 watts underpowered, because I just want to do 800 watt amp and just be, or maybe like 1,000 watt amp, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, like 200 extra watts to play with. Fuck it, let me know what y'all think. So I'm not gonna play, I mean, maybe I think I'll put a clip in of like an OT song. Copyright me, please, bro. I saw you at the mall. Like, you were cool. I don't think it's up to you, though, but, like, shit. Alright, y'all have a good rest of y'all's Christmas.